Good morning, Cougar Nation. This is Melanie Kinsey, and I'm here to talk to you about one of the information literacy skills to teach our students, and that is respecting ownership. More often than not, I have the issue while teaching research, topics on research to 11th graders. They tend to copy and paste information without providing the resource. So in order to teach students how to effectively do that, we're going to look at our library, online library resources. Our library does a great job of helping our students to find information that is legitimate to their topic that they're researching, and also has databases that are very helpful. So you will just go to lib.comelisd.org. From there you will see all these helpful research databases available. If you click on one of these, it will take you to ABC Clio is a great database resource that they can use. You can pull up username and passwords. Thankfully, the district has allowed this to be bought and used by our students and staff. When you go to our public drive, which is the P drive in your doc, you will click on that, and I love this title, What's Better Than Googling It? Databases. So here are the username, Canyon High School 11, and the password Cougars. Use those to help them find good information. So let's talk about ownership. Before we would just take songs and videos and use them as our own without giving credit where credit was due. That is a definite no-no, and it's also a plagiarism, which is under the School of Conduct. It is not appropriate. So what will help is citation help right here. We have plenty of resources that the librarians have added in order for our students to understand how to cite their source. So if you click on Easy Bibliography, it will go to easybib.com, which is a great resource for them to put information in. There is also how to recognize and avoid plagiarism. This information can be pulled up right away and used by our students in order to understand that plagiarism will not be a valuable thing we just don't want them to do that. So copyright and fair use policy in education is also very important. As long as it's used for educational purposes, there is fair use, but it has to be paraphrased. So we need to make sure that they give sources their citing resource. So I'm happy to be conducting this information with you and display. Hopefully you learned a little something.